So today I'd like to show you these flameless candles. I've got the set of 9, so let me show you how they look like. So each candle looks this way, and we've got different sizes as well. Like this one is tiny bit taller, this one is tiny bit smaller. So let me show you up close. So I've got, of course, the candle in color white. That's how our like a flame looks like. It's going to flicker once it's on, and to use each candle you're gonna have to put a AA battery right in here, and then you're gonna be able to use it. So it's unfortunately not rechargeable, but of course you're welcome to buy rechargeable batteries for that. So that's how they look like, and I really like them. Like, I think they all look pretty in every single room. They are like transparent and white in color, and they are going to flicker, as I said. And in a second I'm gonna show you the difference in between real candle and in between these. Also, I think these candles will be perfect, especially if you have pets at home or maybe children, since of course they are completely safe to use around your children, and of course it's not going to like burn your house or burn your pet or a child. Also, what's great about these candles is that you get little remote control like that, and this remote control is going to work for all your lights. So in here, of course, we've got on and off, then we've got a timer. We can set it up for 2, 4, 6 and 8 hours, and then we can change in between the modes, and then we can make it a little brighter or a little more dark. So we've got a real candle right here, and we've got fake candles right here, and I would say they are super similar as I'm looking at them now. Like, these ones are flickering all the time, and I can go ahead and change the mode as well. Like, that is on the candle mode, and this one on the light mode. I think it's not going to be flickering so much. So that's how they look like they look super realistic. So if you want to like save on some candles, since of course some of them can be a little bit on the pricier side, I would say that will be the best option for you.